What's up guys, today I've got my hands on a brand new smart fitness watch by Kospet. So this is the Kospet Tank M3 Ultra. Roll the intro. Now, quick mention of the price. You can pick this up right now from the official site for $149.99, which is an absolute bargain price for what you're getting. All right, let's just quickly go over the main features of this watch. So we have a 1.96-inch AMOLED always-on display with a screen resolution of 401 by 502 and 331 pixels per inch. This watch features 24/7 heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, automatic sleep and stress monitoring. This also has a dual band 6 satellite GPS built in. It features a barometer, altimeter and a compass. The watch itself is made from a stainless steel watch case with Gorilla Glass 3 on top. You've got time markings on the inside. Bezels does tell you about the functionality of the buttons. On the side we've got a metal ridge finish with metal buttons. So it's a select/power button, and then you've got a back button. And just underneath those buttons on the right you've got a speaker grill. Now on the other side you have two more buttons, and they are navigational buttons for going up and down. And the bottom of the watch is made from a combination of stainless steel, plastic and fiberglass. There are over 170 different workouts built in. The watch also has certifications for water resistance, that's 5 ATM and IP69K. So you can go diving with it and the watch can track your swimming stats. Furthermore, this watch also features military standard 810H durability. So if all that wasn't enough, you're also getting Bluetooth phone calls. So you can take your calls directly on the watch. The watch also has a built-in 480 mAh battery, which promises up to 15 days of typical use. And the watch is compatible with both Android or iOS. So you can basically use it with any phone. And on my wrist, the M3 Ultra looks pretty good. It's comfortable with a very smart design. And in case you're wondering, I have a wrist circumference of 7 inches. And whilst the watch does look a bit on the larger side, I still find it quite comfortable to wear as it's fairly light at 75 grams, including the straps. Now, if we talk about the OS, the Tank M3 Ultra is running a custom basic OS. So it's not based on Android or Wear OS. Instead, it's using a user-friendly OS with lots of built-in health-related apps, and it's generally quite smooth in operation. Furthermore, this watch has no built-in Wi-Fi. All communications is done through Bluetooth 5.3 with your smartphone, but you do get a rather decent 6 satellite GPS built in. A few moments ago, I mentioned that this watch does support Bluetooth phone calls, so you can take your calls directly on the watch. And right now, we are about to test the call quality.
So this is a call quality test. I am talking into my phone and you should be hearing my voice loud and clear on the loudspeaker of that smartwatch. So this should give you a pretty good indication of what the call quality, microphone quality and speaker quality is like on this watch.
Now, all your health activities can be viewed from within the smartphone app, and the app is called Kospet Fit. Quick walkthrough of the app. It supports both Android and iOS. And I've actually been using this watch with my iPhone 14 Pro, and I've got no connection issues and everything works as it should. Now, as soon as you open the app, you'll have your health page at a glance showing you all your various metrics. And as soon as you open the app, it will sync to and from the watch. So all your detailed reports will be available for you to see. If we go to device settings, you will see the connection information at top. So Tank M3 Ultra, it will show you what watch face you're using. You've got the watch face gallery over here. So these are all watch faces that you can immediately download. You've got a custom watch face section as well, if you wanted to customize with your own background or your own photo. And you've got my faces. So that would be the watch faces that you've downloaded. And you can see here, we got no watch faces downloaded as I haven't downloaded any yet. So the first thing I want to do is test out how much storage space we have for watch faces. So I'm going to download as many as I can until I get the message that we've reached the maximum capacity. So I'll be right back. So I was able to download a grand total of 4 watch faces before I met that message where it tells me there is no longer space to download anymore. So just to show you that, I'm going to try and download one more, and you can see to delete an existing watch face, you can also tap continue to replace it. So, okay, so those were the watch faces. Now you've got your brightness setting, raise to wake setting, find watch, weather, and more settings. If you tap on more, you have a few more options to play around with. And if we keep going, you've got phone, SMS, app notifications, sedentary reminders, and alarms. Now let me show you all the health features. In a nutshell, every health feature that you see here was switched off apart from the heart rate monitoring. That was on by default. Now under profile, you can set your goals and your targets, and you can also connect to some third-party apps like Apple Health, which I've already connected to, and Strava. So a very useful and decent smartphone app compatible with both Android and iOS. Now let's quickly talk about the battery life. The Tank M3 Ultra features a 480 mAh battery, which takes around 2 hours to charge and will give you a typical battery life of up to 15 days with the always on display switched off. However, if you switch on the always on display, then you can expect the battery life to be around 3 to 5 days. Now let's talk about watch faces. Now we've already touched base on watch faces, but let me show you how you can change your watch face from the smartwatch itself. Now to change the watch face, just keep the center press for a few seconds. The screen will zoom out slightly and you're going to feel some haptics. And now you'll be able to swipe left or right to select a different watch face. Now I did mention that you can only download 4 watch faces at any one time, but you do have some built-in watch faces already stored, and I'll count them for you. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's 11 watch faces stored on this watch so far, and the last 4 are the ones I downloaded. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The rest of them were already there. They're the built-in watch faces. So now I'm going to give you guys a quick taste of the different watch faces that you can get with this watch. Alright, so now let's go through the watch features. If you swipe down from the top, you have your quick toggles for common settings like torch, alarm, do not disturb, etc. And you have the option to hit the plus sign, and then you'll be able to scroll down and you can add a few more toggles if you need to. Now if you swipe up from the bottom, you can see your health tiles, and I'll quickly go through them. You've got your health rings, music player, you've got heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, stress, emotion, weather, alarm, sleep data, workout records, women's health, barometric, altimeter, stopwatch, and timer. And yes, these tiles can also be edited. If you tap the edit button, you can bring things up and down, so you can change the order around, and you can add and remove things as well. So completely customizable tiles. If you swipe towards the left, you get your apps. If you swipe towards the right, you get your notifications. So let's quickly go through the apps, starting from the top. So we've got call, daily activity, workout, workout records, heart rate, sleep, blood pressure, blood oxygen, stress, emotion, tap to measure, music, voice assistant, weather, compass, barometric, altimeter, breathing exercises, notifications, stopwatch, alarm, timer, calculator, remote shutter, flashlight, find phone, women's health, and then your main settings. So those are all your apps. Let me just show you some of them in action. Let's try the calculator first. Let me show you what that looks like. So decent looking calculator. Let's try 56 times 7 equals. So we've got the remote shutter button. So you open the camera app. You can see camera app is open. If we tap it, it will immediately take a photo. Apparently this can measure your blood pressure. So I'm testing it right now. Let's see if it is actually doing the job. So 129/79. I already know that is not typically what my blood pressure would be around this time. All right, doing a quick manual blood pressure check. So that is my real blood pressure reading. Yes, that is hypertension stage 2, 182/99. So blood pressure monitoring is definitely not accurate. Let me click on tap to measure. So 60 seconds to measure all your metrics at once. In 60 seconds, I've got 3 readings there: heart rate, blood oxygen, and stress levels. So that's what tap to measure means. So there is a voice assistant, but it literally does nothing. You can tap the screen to speak and you can say what you want. It's not going to do anything. So it's like a dummy voice assistant, which doesn't really do anything. Okay, so now we're going to test out the health sensors. I've got a medical grade oximeter right here, which I'm going to wear on my finger. And this oximeter will give me accurate and immediate readings for my SpO2 and heart rate. So that's going to continuously change in real time. Now let's compare the watch, starting off with the heart rate sensor. 80 beats per minute versus 79. 80 versus 78. They're both on 78 now. 78 versus 77. 78 versus 78. This has gone to 80. That's also gone to 80. 80 versus 81. So they're pretty level here. That's pretty accurate, guys. Now let's test out the blood oxygen. So I'm going to do a new reading. It says 97. The watch did also detect last the same 97% blood oxygen. Let's see what we get when I refresh it. Okay, and the result is 98% versus 97%. So that is what you can expect from the blood oxygen readings. So I would like to say that the heart rate sensor is pretty accurate, and even the SpO2 is actually not far off. So pretty decent health sensors included in this watch. So there you have it, guys. That was the KOSPET Tank M3 Ultra. A pretty impressive bang for your buck smart fitness watch, offering an impressive number of features packed into a premium rugged body with plenty of health features and health sensors. The watch has 5 ATM and IP69K water resistance and military standard 810H durability. You get a beautiful AMOLED display, great sleep tracking and accurate heart rate sensor. Quick release straps, fast charging, great battery life, really nice always on display. Bluetooth calls work great with excellent clarity, and the list goes on. Now the caveats to mention: not a lot of space to store downloaded watch faces. I was only able to download 4 watch faces before the storage got full. The SpO2 accuracy is close enough. I think a firmware update could improve it slightly. Another caveat to mention is you cannot customize any of the watch faces. There is one watch face where you can use a background photo to make yourself a custom watch face. But apart from that, the existing watch faces, you're not going to be able to edit any of them. So no watch face customizations. Other than that, the KOSPET Tank M3 Ultra is worth every buck. Now that being said, if you want to see more of my latest and greatest unbiased tech reviews, hit the like button, sub to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.